Hey, this is Pro 64 guy, and got a little bit of a problem. Come take a look. Uh-oh. Went to go flush the toilet, and the lever is a little odd. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. The lever broke. Alright. Well, I haven't touched this in probably 16 years, so that's not too bad. We'll take care of it. Just going into a little bit how these work. This lever sits here, and when you flush, it pulls up, which opens the valve, dumps all the water from the tank into the toilet. That's what gives you your flush. The weight of the valve brings it down, it gets sucked in, closes, tank refills. And then this valve, once the float gets high enough, will turn off. I'm in the bathroom fixture aisle of one of the big box stores because my local store is already closed. As you can see, there are replacement parts for several different brands as well as universal replacements. Either bring the broken part with you, take a picture of it, or at least note the brand of the toilet before you go. Okay, so back from the big box store. Got the replacement. I got a universal because I forgot to write down the brand of the toilet, so didn't want to make multiple trips, so I got a universal. So we'll start by reviewing the instructions. Remove old lever. I got to take this one apart, set it up, get it installed, and hook it up, and should be good to go. So let's do this. So we'll start by taking this one off. It's actually a reverse thread. Normally it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This one is actually lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. So we'll take that off. And take this guy off. And drop that in. Okay, so let's get this guy out. Okay, so we did a little wrestling and got this out of the box. So the first thing is pull that off. I don't think I need this, but actually, no, I think I do. Which way does that go inside? Okay. So we just fasten this on. Remember, it's a reverse thread. Okay. So that's about lined up to where the old one used to be. Depending on your model, if you have a one on this side or one on this side, just adjust this. And reattach the chain. Just give this a squeeze. Snap it on there. Okay, needs a little more because it's not going up enough. There we go. One more notch over. It was kind of marginal, so I think I need to it's not giving it enough lift. So let me tighten up the chain. If you don't like working under the water, then just turn off the valve. Okay. Let's try this again. There we go. You can see the float getting picked up here, and eventually, once it gets high enough, shuts off the water. Okay, we're good. We'll put this back on. Back in business. All right, so quick repair here, but it's something that pretty much anybody should be able to do. It's good to know basic stuff like this, if you do run into a problem. Obviously you don't want to be without the necessary appliances in the bathroom, so to be able to do this kind of repair shouldn't necessarily require a plumber, so you might be able to go take care of it yourself. But, hopefully this video is able to help. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll let you know when I'm shooting new videos. And until the next time, this is Part 64 Guy. See you later.